Hey?
Is that just
Oh,
water?
you got this going?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, water cool grinders.
Yep.
Every customer fill up the water.
So always
Something
fresh
on board.
water for each one, yep.
Yeah, plus you can't just go all over my van anyway. So,
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
And just tell me what's the stone on that you've got at the moment there?
I start with an 80 grit stone.
Yep.
Runs through water like that. Then I'll move it to I'll tell you what I'll do, and then I'll move it to a 600 grit stone, 1000 grit diamond stone, and a leather wheel. So I'll just do one knife complete.
Yep.
I won't do the whole lot. With
so the wheel goes nice and slow.
yeah, 90 revs per minute.
Yep.
Really, really slow. No sparks, no excitement, no heating the blade. When I do globals, shuns, any other really hard knife, I do them at about 16 degrees angle. So the angle in here is 16 degrees.
Yep.
If I did a softer knife like a run-of-the-mill Equinox or a Messermeister, about 22.5 degrees. And I only do them to the exact moment that I get a burr. As soon as I get a burr, that's enough metal off. And virtually no metal has gone from there. It's only gone from the side. The burr's there in some places, but not where you always chop.
Yeah, sure.
You probably can't pick it up, but the burr's there, but it's not there.
So each side the burr occurs because you're folding over a little bit of metal at the end.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's hit the exact peak in that spot. And there we have it, from one end to the other. So all the knives would go through that stone. All the knives that I do for the one place. I turn that around.
And you go to restaurants and places, pubs,
hospitals.
Yep, hospitals.
Nursing homes, all that sort of stuff. Where else? The odd butcher wants their knife reshaped or pulled back into shape most of the time, because they use the stone every single morning, whereas chefs won't and don't. So we go to the 600 grit, same angle. Only a couple of times just to make it not so rough. You can still see that burr come back each way each time you do it. And then on this 1000 grit stone, and then I'll just change the angle ever so slightly up to give it a more durable edge. And then, that's alright, I've got some compound on there, polishing compound, on the leather wheel. If there's any burr, acts like a barber's strop where it takes the burr until it breaks it off. And there we have it.
That's it. Beautiful. Master at work.
Razor sharp.